Gweru's DST home industry reduced to ashes in fierce fire. The 30th of August 2025, by Lovemore Vertical Bar, GWRU. Scores of traders at DST home industry in Gweru are reeling from heavy losses after a fierce fire tore through the market on Wednesday, destroying property worth thousands of dollars. Authorities are still investigating the cause of the blaze, though early reports point to a possible electrical fault. An eyewitness, Moses Mupikurerwa, recounted the terrifying moment. "I was working at my station when I heard a spark from the shade where the fire started. It looks like there was a short circuit, and what transpired later was quite scary. The foam rubbers were burning like paraffin, and so were the asbestos. We tried to put out the fire, but the power was just too much. The fire was eventually put out by the fire brigade team. It disrupted our work here, and now we are waiting for the quantification of the losses for us to start again." Another carpenter told ZBC News he lost nearly everything in the blaze, including a school furniture order. "I had been contracted by a local school to make 20 desks, and only one survived the fire. It is very difficult to think that we have been left with nothing." Midland's Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Owen Ncube, expressed sympathy. "It is a pity that we have a situation like this with our people who are trying to earn an honest living. They have indeed experienced some losses here, and it is quite disturbing. We are with them at this critical juncture." Gweru Mayor, Councillor Martin Chivhoko, urged traders to become organized and properly licensed, noting that registration is key to accessing support in times of disaster. "We are very grateful to the central government for providing us with the fire tenders, which were critical in putting out the fire. The traders should get the necessary licensing so that they get the support at the click of their fingers. Most of those who lost their wares are not registered, which makes it difficult for them to get compensation." The inferno comes barely a month after two separate fires devastated Harare's Glenview area, 8 home industries, raising fresh concerns over safety standards at informal business centers across the country.